Okay, so this is going to be what it looks like if you're on an iPad. So if we go down to the bottom, we're going to see the 5 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our first button here, that is the phone call button. So that's the one that we press at the end of the meeting when everybody's saying goodbye. That's how we hang up the call. This one is the video camera button, and that's the one that controls whether people can see you or not. This one is the microphone button that controls whether people can hear you. And this one is the hand button that you can press if you have a question or a comment. So if I press on the video camera button here, and it looks like that with a line through it and it goes white, that means that nobody can see you, okay? And this microphone button, if I press on it and it has a line through it and it goes white, then that means nobody can hear you, okay? And for the hand button, if you press it, then it's also gonna go white, and that means that you put your hand up to ask a question or make a comment. So, another thing that Miss Taylor and I want you to know is that we would like you to have your microphone button like this all the time, unless you're telling us something or you have raised your hand to ask a question, okay? So we don't want to have our microphone on like this all the time, because that means that people can hear everything that's going on in our house. And that's not really great because it's a little bit distracting, okay?